Another episode of What Civilization Started Again. As you can see, the map looks completely different. There is no blue team, and the red team is bigger than ever. And that's because I had to go through a certain fix that I wasn't even want to do because this video was going to be in this app right here, but it corrupted, and now I have to go with this app here. It's a lot better now because I can access the things again, the layers and the thing, these things. So I can finally add trade tracks and of course capitals. The red team's capital will be here. Like this, it will be right here. The Carthage will have its capital right here. This thing will have its capital right here. The Brittany France will have its capital here. We're gonna change the capital for this thing because it can be very seen. I think those are all the countries. So Earthia doesn't exist. Hold up, let me change that. Right there. Try to add the capital for this thing. Everyone reach. What just happened? Right there. Anyways, time to do some trade routing. Oh wait, I made it on the run. Yeah, yeah. Right there. And then time to anyways, now time to make some trade routes. A trade route that goes here, some to one major city right here, goes here and then drives down, and then it goes up here, here, right here, and then up here. There they go back to which major thing right here, and then here. This used to be the capital of the Blue Team, but they don't exist in this world. So Rome doesn't exist. They have been completely obliterated. Yeah. We're just gonna, the Holy Roman Empire is gonna, now it's active is just a major city now. And they're building like major trade route. Now they don't, but then it struck. So what struck? Yeah. What struck was Actually, it goes to war with the pink team. Yeah, oh, that's the map there. It's like the immediately takes it, but it wants more. It takes Cyprus. I think that was not Cyprus. But it deja vu. That was it was not deja vu. It was something like Alzheimer's. But it eventually takes this part. It stops because, well, it goes to war with this thing. Yeah. Some reconquista moments here. But then oh yeah, I forgot. I can record these things, but I'm not gonna do it now. Yeah. That was basically just a puppet state. This is so confusing for your cat. Do you think those are the Americas? Is it like Fiat? Is it like vertically flip? This app is so confusing. Eventually, confusing dish takes up even more space as they colonize this thing. They still keep up.